I'm just gonna tell you guys what I love about it. This is awesome. This finish is awesome. 0.05 millimeter precision. This is crazy. And this is what we get with laser printing. With this manufacturing technique, we can get the springs built in the device, and it's nearly impossible to do with any other manufacturing technique. So laser printing was a really conscious choice that allowed us to create a device that fits almost any head size. Each spring adjusts to your head shape. So even if you've got some bump or something on your head, reasonable limit, each electrode can adjust to it and get really good connection to the head. So the durability of this material is crazy, and it looks like it's made out of, I don't know, like solid plastic. It doesn't feel like it's printed at all, and that's because it's laser printing. So yeah, you can put your device like this, like that, and it doesn't break. And with this thing, like your FDM prints that you can do at home, and this is a really good one, by the way, you can break it really easily. Oh, I didn't injure myself, so that's good news. So you're gonna be getting this device. We're testing the electronics with this, but yeah, to make it sleek, to make it less wiry and everything, we're gonna be using these things called flexible PCBs. And what's really cool about them, at least what we plan to do, is that they wrap around the device and get into the enclosure and allow a really slim design. The idea of using magnetic connector was also really smart, because it allows you to connect this device like almost without looking at it, like just up, and it works. Also, Thomas got these fantastic prints that look like that on your head, like an alien, like an alien tag. It's because it's AI generated. So yeah, it's all really cool. I really love it.
We chose laser printing because it gives us exactly the right material properties that we need to implement the functionality with the spring mechanism, and at the same time it gives the absolute perfect surface finish. So you really have a completely polished soft surface finish with a weighty device that feels solid in the hand, and yeah, and at the same time it gave us the possibility to create this unibody design, place all of the electronics into the most intricate little sections, have everything connected with each other, no parts that can break, no parts that fly off, no disassembly of screws. It comes in a very neat package through that manufacturing method. So this is an older version that is left over from our prototype graveyard, and you can see it has an absolute smooth surface finish, so it feels nice in the hand, and yeah, it feels like a solid enclosure. And here you can see that it's absolutely, like, it's really nearly impossible to break it. It flexes in many different directions. With most injection molded parts, you would most you would break it most likely.